Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you looking for the best web hosting in 2025? Go to the right video. So today we'll be comparing Hostinger with your very known Bluehost. Firstly, we'll be starting with the prices. As you can see here, Hostinger basically is offering right now $2.99 per month plus 3 months for free if you claim this deal under this time frame. On the other hand, Bluehost is offering $2.95 per month, which also gives you a 30-day money back guarantee, and so does your Hostinger. Now, starting with the performances and speed, if you say Hostinger uses light speed servers offering faster loading times. On the other hand, Bluehost relies on traditional Apex servers and which basically slows under heavy traffic. Discussing the features and ease of use, so Bluehost basically offers cPanel, a free domain, and one-click WordPress installers. On the other hand, if we talk about Hostinger, it has its own HPanel, which is more beginner friendly and also includes free SSL backups and better security tools. And if you talk about live support, the customer support, Hostinger is known for its 24/7 live support, and the chats are available, and the response time is also quick. On the other hand, if you talk about Bluehost, it offers phone support, but the live chats can be slower sometimes, as reported by some users. So if you'll ask me to compare both of these, I'll say choose Bluehost if you prefer official WordPress hosting and phone support, like you can compare on your chat support, and choose Hostinger if you want better speed, lower prices, and easy to use tools. Me personally, I would suggest you to use Hostinger because as you guys have compared both of them, Hostinger offers a pretty good plan to you. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video.